Okay, today I want to break down a groove from Eli Haneca, awesome Instagram drummer. Let's go ahead and just dive right in. Now we're going to skip past the intro. It's really great triplet bass thing between his kick and his snare, and he uses his stick on his kick drum. Awesome. But I want to focus on the main groove. So let's talk about this. First thing is those 30-second notes on the hi-hat. To play those, you've got to have finger control to make them sound beefy. If you're just bouncing them, they're not going to have the attack that you want and the presence that you want. Build up that finger technique or the finger control. Watch the hand technique video to learn more about that. All right, let's keep going. That trade-off between the rim of the snare and the hi-hat. Paradiddles. Work on your paradiddles and get that together, and that'll really help. So he's got those 30-second notes again, and then he makes really creative use of the stack. That really quick, tight, percussive sound. He puts it in all the right places to just keep the groove super interesting. Here's another part where he does that. So that last part with the stack it's just awesome. To play that right, you just have to pay attention to the sticking, and that goes for every groove. If you want to break down what's going on, a lot of times it helps to just get the video on your phone and then go frame by frame. And with the stack, I watched him go right. He starts with the right, and then he actually comes with the right over to the hi-hat, and then the left comes in. When he's playing at full speed, it's hard to know that. It's hard to know what's going on. But if you break it down slowly, go frame by frame, you can really figure it out. And I have another video where I talk about using YouTube and the playback speed feature to slow things down. That can help you learn this kind of stuff as well. So again, really cool groove from Eli. Nice work. Go check out his Instagram. I'll link to it in the description. And then also, I'll just say, if you've come across any grooves or fills or chops, whatever, that are just awesome and you want to learn them, but you don't know what's going on and you're just mystified, please send them my way, and I'd love to help break them down. You can send them to barrett-dastrup@tempoleague.com, or you can leave a comment below. And yeah, thanks for checking this out.